Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn origami pincers that work like this and catch it. Great. Now the second one. Now from the other, and again the second one, and wow. Now to make it by your own hands, you have to take a piece of paper of the given measurements. Fold it into two equal halves and press well. Open it. Now fold it again from the bottom towards the middle crease, and then from the other side repeat the step. Again fold it from one side towards the middle crease, and then from the other side repeat the step and fold it again. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now fold it. Again towards the middle crease. Then from the other side repeat the step. Now from the other one, press it well. Open it. Now fold a triangle from one side. And now fold it as shown in the video like this and press it. Have a pyramid type shape on your paper in the form of crease, then again fold it. From this side and again. It's done. Repeat the steps from the other side. Comment below what's your favorite toy. Don't forget to press the bell icon to remain updated. Now fold according to the creases from one side and then the other. The third one and the fourth one subsequently. Now like this, from one side inwards, like this, and then from the other. Like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members, and relatives. shaping it perfectly. Now from the other side, repeat the steps as you have done before. To make the pockets, like this, fold it and shape it well. Alright, a box has been formed. Now you have to shape it into a pincer. From one side according to the crease, then from the other side according to the crease. Now a pouch has been formed. From one side and then the other. It's done. Now let us give it a trial. Hope you learned well how to make it. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Till then, take care and stay tuned.